Myntri rang ba ka Jylla konrat ke sangma ke singi balang lo ong ba ka Jylla ke Ïohpdiang kumban riu pulai bilion cubic liter ko wan Umslap hakasis nem ke balong ke bahe Hynrei ka Jylla ka Ïohpat bat penne tang kumba 10 bilion cubic liter ko ke bawan na ke jinghap slap Ulong ba ka Meghalaya ka dei ka wei na ki jaka ba jo slap tam ke perthei par ka Ïohpdiang kumban riu pulai bilion cubic liter ko Umslap hakasis nem panagate kumban lai pawei bilion cubic liter ko Tuid no Shari Bangladesh bat live away bilion cubic liter ke Tuid no sha Assam. Ya keneu lai tu akapor pli ke Meghalaya water smart gate campaign ke balastang hapo ke jingpe jong jal jiwan mission ban pesngau tu ki kena ke bede ba ke jing kodor ban penne pensai ke Wala ong ba ke Jylla ke simbun kilat kilenti ban penne pensai ke mingba ke jingwan kilat jing rapisa banabar kum ke external aided projects bat ke ministry ke jal shakti ke sarkar pedeng. Ulai tu bagi sarkar kelate hadu seja teli ke jeka pelang hakeleng ke Jylla kenang ban penne ya ke bat ban penbon ke jingdon ke hapok kendeu ling bagi projek buper. Ulai tu ru bagatnat public health engineering PHE kala yok bon ke jing rapisa hapok ke jal jiwan mission bat ke external aided project ke balak jan poi hadu si praklor tingka. Hakane ka program Myntri rang ba bat Myntri gatnat PHE Marcus Marak kila IT khusnam ke nong penne pensa e ko kum ke jing penslo bat I sem ni kane ka kam badan kam yang ne khusnam la aisha kisnong dums e bat ka water sanitation community jong ribho district kasnong dari chekre bat ka water sanitation community jong West Karo Hills district bat kasnong dura kan rakre bat water sanitation community jong West Karo Hills district.
I'm honored to be part of the launch for Water Smart Kids and the award ceremony for Water Guardians. The strengthening sustainable communities, our students, the torchbearers of our future, are inherently endowed with unyielding passion and a remarkable inclination towards change. Their energy, creativity and idealism are the bedrock upon which we can build a better world. Today, I stand before you to propose an initiative that aims to influence the incredible potential of our students for a cause that is not just critical but imperative. Water conservation, the Water Smart Kids Meghalaya campaign under the Jal Jeevan mission is a pioneering step in nurturing young minds to be ambassadors of water conservation. This campaign is more than just an educational drive. It is an initiative aimed at shaping generations that is conscious of their environmental responsibility. The sessions planned under this campaign are not mere lectures. They are interactive, educational, and most importantly, fun. They are designed to engage, enlighten, and inspire our children to become advocates for water conservation in their respective communities. The impact of this initiative is not confined within the walls of classroom. It has the potential to echo throughout our society and beyond.
There are many areas where we can improve. I can tell you, for example, now we are looking at laying the pipes and getting these sources, and the water supply. But our challenge is that there could be many villages where we will have the pipes, but as we move along, we may not have the water anymore. And therefore, we need to keep those things in mind. At the same time, there may be many areas where, the pipes, the way we wanted to put it, maybe the quality could be different. So hence, I would urge the department that let us try to overcome even those challenges. What is important is now we have moved forward. Now how to make it better. how to improve and make it even perfect, how to ensure that the water quality is there, the water source is there. So all of these aspects need to be examined, and it can only happen if the team works as a team and we work with a full commitment on ensuring that this entire vision that we all have and the vision that our Honorable Prime Minister has reaches its logical conclusion. So when all these 5 departments, if you were to look at the work that's going on, all the works are in a way interconnected. Just to give you an example, in soil conservation, we have roughly a project worth almost $40 million. So about 40 means that's about 300 plus 400 crores of projects that is going to happen for reservoir creation. Maybe about 1,000 reservoirs will be created throughout the state where we'll be able to store the water. Just to give you a rough idea what this means, so we get about 63 billion cubic meters of rainfall every year. That's roughly the estimate of rainfall that Meghalaya gets. Out of the 63 billion cubic meters of water, about 31 billion cubic meters flows to Bangladesh, 31 billion cubic meters flows to Assam. And we are able to only keep about 1 billion cubic meters with us. So our endeavor is that we should be able to store some more of this water so that we can use it. And hence, this reservoir project was brought in, and through an EAP, which is an externally aided project, we are getting this funding. At the same time, we have projects that are going on in water resources and other departments. We have the Triple MRF fund in environment and forest and environment. We have our natural resource management project and EAP again, going to about 300-400 crores that we have with us money. We have the NEPRF fund, which is about 400 crores. And hence, if you were able to actually collect all of this money together and look at it as a joint project, you will be surprised to know that we have close to about 3,000 crores worth of projects that are going on right now as we speak to protect our water supply, to create reservoirs, to protect the catchment areas, and if you were to include Jal Jeevan Mission, which is about 4,000-5,000 crores of projects. So we are looking at projects worth about 8,000 crores that is being implemented as we speak to preserve our water, preserve our environment, preserve our natural resources.